Hi students, so now we are going to discuss about the multiplication of integers. We have already learned the how to add and how to subtract the integers in the previous classes. Now we are going to discuss about the how to multiply the integers. So multiplication of two positive integers I am going to explain first. How to multiply the two positive integers. So when we are multiplying two positive integers, we will get the positive integer again. Let's for suppose I am going to explain one thing. Here plus 4 into plus 5, I am going to multiply these two numbers. So here these two are plus numbers. Already first we have to multiply the symbols again. Here plus into plus, plus. So we will get positive integer in the answer. Next we have to multiply the numbers. 4 5 are 20. 20 will be the answer, plus 20. Like this we have to multiply. When two positive integers are there means we must get the positive integers as an answer. Okay. Next, so when we are multiplying two negative integers, then we will get the positive integer as an answer. So next topic is multiplication of two negative integers. So when we are multiplying two negative integers, we will get positive integer as an answer. So for example, I am going to explain. I am taking two negative integers minus 6 and minus 3. So these two are negative integers. So when we are multiplying, first we have to multiply the symbols. Minus into minus, we will get plus as the answer. Then 6 3 are 18. So plus 18 will be the answer. That means when we are multiplying two integers with the same symbols, means two positive integers or two negative integers are there, means we will get the positive integer as an answer. Okay. Next topic. So next, multiplication of one integer, one positive integer and one negative integer. When we are multiplying two integers which are with the opposite signs, means, so for example, minus 4 into plus 3. When I am multiplying these two integers, this one is positive and one is negative. So here when we are multiplying plus into minus, we will get minus, and 4 3 are 12. What we observe here, when we are multiplying one negative integer and one positive integer, means we will get always negative integer as answer. Okay. Next, so here when we are multiplying two integers, we discussed here. So now we are going to discuss how to multiply two or more integers. So when we have more than two integers, means how we have to multiply. When we got like that, means we must multiply the symbols first. First I am going to give an example here. Minus 3 into plus 4 into minus 2 into plus 1. So I am taking 4 integers are here and 2 negative integers and 2 positive integers are there. First we have to group these integers first. We have to take it into groups. We have to convert these integers into groups. Then we can multiply easily. In 2 steps we have to multiply. First, in first group, minus 3 and plus 4, minus into plus, we have to multiply the symbols first. Minus into plus, minus, and 3 4 are 12. In first group multiplied, and we have to put into again, and we have to multiply the second group of numbers. What are there? Minus 2 and plus 1, minus into plus, minus, and 2 1s are 2. So we got here minus, here also negative integer and here also a negative integer. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. So here both numbers are negative integers. Already we discussed, when we are multiplying both negative integers, means we will get the positive integer as answer. So minus into minus, plus 12 2 are 24 will be the answer. So like this we have to multiply the more than two integers are there. Okay. Now let's consider 6 integers. So I am going to take 6 integers on the board. Plus 3 into minus 1 into minus 4 into minus 2 into plus 5 into minus 1 I am going to take again. Here 6 integers are there. So what we have to do first? We have to group these integers. Every two numbers we have to take as a group like this. So first we have to multiply every group of numbers. So here plus 3 into minus 1, minus into plus minus, 3 1s are 3. First group is completed, and next group we have to put into, and we have to multiply the next group of numbers. So here minus into minus, plus 4 2s are 8. So next group, plus into minus, minus. So 5 1s are 5. Here 3 numbers, we got 3 numbers. So again you have to take 2 numbers as a group, and first we have to multiply these two group of these numbers. So minus into plus, minus, 3 8s are 24 into, so you have to put bracket, and here it is minus 5. So here 2 numbers we got, we have to multiply these 2 numbers. Here minus into minus, plus 24 5s are 120. So 120 will be the answer. Like this you have to do. When we consider the 6 integers, first we have to take every 2 integers as a group, we have to multiply those, and we will get 3 integers here. So in these 3 integers we have to multiply every first 2 numbers we have to take as a group, and we have to multiply that, and then we must multiply the last 2 numbers, then we will get the final answer. Like this you have to do the answer. Okay. Next.